Hello everyone and welcome to a new episode of my vlog and the first episode of this year. Um, Before I start with, I want to let you know that uh, some topics that is general speaking like topics about life, about many things in life, advices, something like that. Uh, I will speak from my studio, so those topics will be from my studio just to make the videos more helpful and not much noisy and things like that. So topics about uh, traveling and describing places I go and things and describing everything I know in a particular place. I will record it outside. So just to let you know, I will make another new little change so you guys aware of it. So now let's start with the topic. I don't know if you have questions about this and have actually even answers to it, but I want to from my opinion, I didn't research for this. It's just for my opinion, from my perspective and my point of view. Um, well, and you also in the comment section, you guys can bring another topic, another idea about what I'm gonna talk about. So you are more welcome to comment. First of all, thank you very much for all the likes and views I received on my New Year Eve night on the fireworks. Um, I appreciate that very much, and that means that you guys really like my channel and gives me a lot of reason to continue and to pursue my activity into more interesting stuff. So thank you very much everyone, and I hope this channel will be very successful, just from my passion, just from my heart, so you guys can enjoy. Well, I wanted to talk about something else. I mean, another extra, but I will leave it on the end so you guys can not be like waiting too much for the topic. So, have you guys questioned yourselves on New Year's Eve in Sydney, where I live? Here, on at the Harbour Bridge and Opera House, have you guys questioned yourselves how the fireworks is set up? How the fireworks actually works and who made all this stuff? Who made this all magnificent art and masterpiece of all the fireworks? Well, this gives me a lot of inspiration to talk. I have some discussions also with my father because he knows this stuff a bit and he has a lot of assumptions about how these fireworks actually work, but not entirely, just 60% I think, something like that. Well, I can show you so you guys can have a more view about what I'm gonna talk about. So you can see the beautiful Harbour Bridge and there is the place I filmed over there, because it was a good vantage point, which was very nice. This episode will be a mini documentary, I think. A mini documentary in just one episode. So I film over there, which was a great place, a great vantage point, a great view of the harbor. Of course, this is the gates which people just allows to view the fireworks just behind the fence. Here was for police, ambulance in this area, over here in this area. So fireworks, so where I filmed over there was a laser, and I don't know where it comes, but just said countdown 10, 9, 8, 7, things like that. And when it comes to 1, fireworks just boom, just starts. You see from that side and all over that one horizontally, it was magnificent, a lot of noise, a lot of boom, like a bomb, you see that one from that area over there, and just like horizontally. I truly believe, which I'm not sure, but I truly believe, because before of that I see many boats coming, like from that area, many boats coming, and just drive on the harbor right over there, that area. All I see, all I witness. And it was a lot of boats, like even old boat. And also I saw in the darkness some little boats, but without human being controlled, like not a driver who controls the boat, like a little boats just actually moved in that area, but was just like a small boats. And I truly believe, guys, that all of this stuff, like the fireworks over there just horizontally, this one here just up, they went up on the sky. I think that someone, a person, I'm not saying an alien, a person, we are not talking conspiracy theories here, a command center, a control room or something, some people who organize all this stuff, like the leader of this team who made and working out all the fireworks just to set up on the harbor bridge over there, and even on the opera house. The leader of this team, who was probably in a control room and see all this stuff and camera, things like that, and even on the helicopter, because was flying many helicopters here. But I truly believe, I'm not sure, that these people just have a button, like when you guys watch TV, right? And you want to change the channel to, let's say, 9 News or 7 7 years. How you control the TV? Of course, you have a command button, and just press the button, and the television just change to whatever you want, whatever channel you like. Well, I truly believe that these people from a different location, which is unknown to me, have this type of thing, like push a button and fireworks just start. Just push a button, pack, another one, and I truly believe this is kind of scheme they work, which is very good. It's like very intuitive and very interesting plan to set up this, and which is also a very tough work they put on. So yes, this is my opinion, how this fireworks stuff just was implemented and set up in this area. Again, I'm not really sure, so I'm just saying 60%. You are more than welcome to comment in the section and bring up with another interesting ideas how this stuff happened, and will be more interesting in the comment section of this episode. So you are more than welcome to comment and say your opinion about this. Now, to end this episode, I just also want to let you know that will be like an extra, not including in this episode, just like PS, like something other side of this episode, so you guys know. Remember first time when I opened this channel, you guys can search, I made unplanned videos, because I was at the beginning, just in my language, Romanian, for people in my country, Romania. But now I'm thinking to like remake these episodes, like remodel or something that it's like a total remake of this Romanian videos I made back then, so you guys can fully understand what was my thoughts at the beginning of this channel, and just to give you an idea about how I start all of this with more deep. So yeah, this is the episode, guys. This is what I wanted to share to you. Hope you guys like it, and I will see you in the comment section. And if you guys can comment, I appreciate very much. And thank you very much, everyone, for supporting this channel by viewing, appreciate everything I do. I see a lot of views and some likes, and that's what I appreciate so much, and gives me reason to continue and to pursue this activity. And see you guys in my next episode. Take care.